Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. This is my sourdough cinnamon roll dough that has been rising for a few hours. I am going to now gently release it from my bowl. I do it just from the edges to make handling it easier and then to form it into a dough ball. Now I put some flour on the work surface. Put my dough on top. And then add some more flour on top of the dough. This helps it stop from sticking onto the rolling pin. Just turn it, add a bit more flour, just make sure it's nicely floured so it doesn't stick. And then I'm going to start rolling it out. Okay, it's now this length. Sometimes you may need to use your rolling pin sideways. Stretch it out a bit with your hands if you can. And then now is the right length. I'm going to start adding my cinnamon sugar mix. It's cinnamon powder, sugar, butter, and a little bit of flour. And then now it's time to roll out the dough. I'm going to roll it from the long side. You tuck it in as you go to make it a nice tight roll. When you get to the edge, it's not always aligned, but you can stretch your dough a little bit just to align it and roll it. Okay, now it's time to cut it. I use the back of a knife or a toothpick just to mark where I'm going to cut. And then I'll cut my shapes. I'm making 12 of them. Today I'm baking them in a cupcake tray. I just wanted to try baking in a cupcake tray to see how they turn out. And now I leave them to rise for a few more minutes and then I bake them. Okay, they're baked, they look great. And now I'm going to leave them to cool completely. And then I'm going to dust some icing sugar on top. If you like, you can put some cream cheese frosting on there. But I'm just dusting some icing sugar. And then I'm going to unravel one, break one, and show you what it looks like. It looks quite good. But if I to prefer these ones or the ones you pull apart, I like the pull apart ones. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.